Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program DETCS First Trimester, Session Cements. Now we discuss cements. Cements is a fine, soft powder type say substance. It is made from a mixture of elements that are found in neutral materials such as limit stones, clay, sands, and scales. When cement is mixed with water, it can bind sand and into the hard solid mass is called uh, advantage of cements. Advantage of cements are priority variety and hardicity and bonding wells with bars and simple process plasticity low cost are known as a advantage of cements. History of cements in 1824 Joseph Aspidins a British stance mission hated a mixture of a finely grounded limestone and clay. He is to store a ground to mixtures in a powder to create and hydraulic cements one that hardness with a addition of waters. He took a he took a patent for this cements. A variety of sandstones in a variety of sandstone is found to abundant is Portlands in England. So hence is called as ordinary Portland cements. So it is India's first cement factory was installed in Tamil Nadu 1904 of South in India History Industry Limited. For its essential elements are needed to make cements. They are calcium, silicon, aluminiums, and iron. So calcium, which is main ingredients, can be obtained from limestones, whereas silicons can be obtained from the sand. So aluminium or iron can be extracted for butoxide irons, or only small amounts of are needed. Chemical composition of cements. Students, the raw materials used the manufacture of cements consist mainly of lime, silica, alumina, iron oxide is present in chemical composition of a cements. So these oxides interact with one another to the cleanse a high temperature and form more complex compounds. So the relativity properties of these oxide compositions are responsible for influencing and various properties of cements. So additional to a rate of cooling and finishes and greetings. So chemical composition of cement are chemical composition and percentages contained are represented as in given tables. So limes or CaO is percentage or 60 to 67% used in cements, and silica SiO2 70 to 25% in use, and alumina Al2O3 is used 5 to 8%, and Fe2O3 iron oxides 0.5 to 6%, and MgO magnesia is equal to 0.14%, and alkyls K2O and Na2O are present is 0 to 0.2 to 1%, and SO3 sulfur trioxide are present is 1 to 3%. So fraction of a cements are lime. Lime is major indicated of a cements. Lime is in the present of 60 to 70% in present of cements. So excess quality of lime make the cements unsounded. If it is less, it decreases and strength to allow the cements to the set quickly. So next are silica. Silica is SiO2 formula and important integrated which is gives strength to cement. So it is the excess silica allows to cement set only. Next are alumina, Al2O3. Alumina Al2O3 is the important stochastic types of cements. It is the excess quantity and weakness. The cements is also lower as the temperature of cleaners. Is the iron oxide. Iron oxide Fe2O3. Iron oxide is the help as the fusion of raw materials during burning stage. So it is colors, strength and hardness to the cements. Magnesium oxide MgO. Magnesium oxide is a present in small quantities. MgO imparts hardness and colorless to the cements. It becomes excess quantity weaknesses to the cements. So sulfur trioxide SO3 is a very small quantity is required in the manufacturing of a cements. So manufacturing of a cements is very small quantity present sulfur trioxide. It is the excess SO3 make the cement unsounded. So alkalis. Alkalis is small quantity are requirement. Alkalis and other impurities present in raw materials and are carried out by the flue gases during heating. So if it is a excess quantity or is cached. And the production of a cement and postulated of a cements. Production of a cements is clay, irons over powders and limestones are bleeding gradings and raw materials are a higher degree temperature 1450 degree Celsius temperature are clinkers and gypsums and mixing is materials and present of process of producer protlated is cements that can be explained in diagram. So flowchart is manufactures of a cements, limestones quantity and classification of homogeneous and dust separations and it's a raw mill and rotary killers and cements is bulk. Okay students, traditional manufacture of cements and Portland cements. Stone is first reduced to 125 mm in size, then the 20 mm 3x4 in the storage. So the limestone is a tag from the quarry. It is the major ingredients needed to the make cements. Similarly, quantity of sand and clay also needed. So limestone, sands, clay, stones are four essential elements are required to the make cements. So four essential elements are oxides of calcium, silicon, aluminiums, and irons. So mixing raw materials. So, the limestones pieces is then through a blender where they are added to the other raw metals in this proportion. So blender calcium, aluminium, silicon to iron and convert to cements. Okay students, so ये तो many features of cements and pro talent cements. Okay, thank you.